If you've lost your Social Security card, here's how you can get a new one. Start by opening any browser and searching for Replace SSN Card online. Look for the official website that ends in .gov. It should be the Social Security Administration site. Click on that and wait for the page to load. Once you're on the site, you'll see a section that helps you figure out if you're eligible to apply online. Click the blue button that asks a few questions to guide you through the process. First, it'll ask if the request is for an adult or a child. Then, whether you're a US citizen. Next, it'll ask if you have a US mailing address, which includes PO boxes and military addresses. After that, it'll ask if you have a valid driver's license or state ID. You can select No if you don't have one. If you do, it might ask which state issued it. Then, it'll ask what changes you need. Since your card is just lost and you're not making any updates, choose No Changes Needed. It might also ask if you know your Social Security number. You can pick Yes or No, whichever applies. If you're eligible to apply online, it'll guide you through that. Otherwise, you'll be shown how to apply by visiting a local Social Security office. To apply in person, you'll need to fill out Form SS5, which is the application for a Social Security card. The website will also list the documents you'll need and ones that won't be accepted. Once you've filled out the form, make an appointment with your local SSA office. Bring the form and your documents with you. After everything's approved, your replacement card will arrive by mail. It usually takes about 2 weeks, and that's it. Whether you're doing it online or in person, replacing your SSN card is pretty straightforward once you know where to start.